Have you been to Colorado? Not just the mountains, not just the ski towns, but the canyons carved black as night, the dunes that move like oceans, and the ruins older than the country itself. First stop, Colorado's own Garden of the Gods. Red sandstone spires shoot from the earth, formed over millions of years, tilted vertical, jagged against the sky. Early travelers called them a playground for the gods. Now they stand timeless at the edge of Colorado Springs. Then we head to Mesa Verde. Cliff dwellings carved into sheer stone faces, built by ancestral Puebloans centuries ago. Whole villages suspended inside canyon walls, balconies, ladders, and plazas frozen in silence. It feels more like a memory than a ruin. Southwest, the great sand dunes rise, taller than skyscrapers, a desert ocean at the base of the Rockies. Waves of sand shift and roar in the wind. People climb them by day. At night, the stars drown the horizon. In the west, Black Canyon of the Gunnison. Steep, narrow, cut by a river of fury. Its walls drop thousands of feet straight down. Dark stone gleams in fractured sunlight. Few places feel this unforgiving. Few feel this alive. Now to Hanging Lake, a turquoise pool suspended high in Glenwood Canyon. Waterfalls stream like ribbons into its glass surface, surrounded by moss, ferns, and sheer cliffs. A place of impossible color in the Rockies. So fragile, it is protected with strict limits. Northward, the paint mines surprise. Bands of pink, purple, and yellow stone. Eroded hoodoos scatter across rolling prairie. Native peoples once quarried clay for pottery and paint. Today the landscape looks unreal, like an artist spilled pigments on the earth. Finally, Lakes Basin. High in the San Juans, past alpine meadows, the trail ends at an electric blue lake. Wildflowers blanket the valleys below. It feels untouched, unreachable, and impossibly pure. This isn't the Colorado you know of. These are the hidden corners, the wild edges, the unexpected wonders. Have you been to Colorado? Maybe it's time to see it differently. Follow Have You Been To for more hidden gems, and tell us what should have made the list.